Hello, you fabulous Jafra beauties and all of you fabulous people out there. Welcome back to my channel. I am sick, as you can kind of hear in my voice. I got sick because before we quarantined, I don't have coronavirus, don't worry.
Before we quarantined, we went to Boulevard to visit family just for a couple days. It snowed, and the cold just kind of got to me, so I'm a little sick. I'm trying to get over this. It's only day 2, but I'll be fine.
How do you like my backdrop? It's a towel, it's a beach towel. So I'm in my little tiny bathroom in the vintage Oak Park trailer that is on my property. I like filming in here. I kind of made it my little beauty corner. I have more privacy here. Today I'm gonna try the tutorial for cat eye that I posted on my Jafra channel. It features Jafra products, but the thing is, I actually don't have a lot of those products, so I just wanted to go ahead and do it anyway, and then I'll probably redo it again, and then I'll just compare. So let's check out this tutorial because I'm already rambling. My little intro. Okay, try the trend cat eye. So I start with translucent powder. Alright. Kind of sweep it over my face. She didn't put foundation on? Okay. Let's put foundation on though, yeah, because I think that would be better. So I'm going to open up my little beauty corner up here. That's why I like this, because I could just reach up here. Let's see, I'm not going to do primer today because I'm lazy. I'm going to keep it light. I'm going to use my Jafra Beauty CC cream. Okay, so I damped this blender. I'm going to put a little bit of this right on my hand. Oh, I'm running out of product. Oh no, I'm not priming anything, so I'm just totally just doing this. I have a mirror, guys, so I'm going to kind of just do this because I struggled when I used the monitor as my mirror.
So I don't think everybody needs primer. If you have a lot of redness, I mean, you use color correctors too. You don't have to use a primer. When I went to modeling school many years ago, I don't remember them teaching me to use primer, but they did teach me to use concealer.
This gives me a natural dewy look, which I like. So I am going to use the translucent. I don't even think I have translucent powder. So I'm going to make do with what I have. You know what, I'm going to take the same, because I have a little bit of product left. I'm going to take it, I'm going to actually put it on my eyes because I didn't use eye primer. I don't feel like I need concealer. I know that a lot of people use concealer. I guess I'll use concealer. I'm going to use my Kokie Be Bright concealer. I got this in one of my e.l.f bags. Most of my non-Jafra products I got in my e.l.f bags. So I'm going to use this kind of as a highlighter as well. Blend this out a little bit. I like the sponge because it has like a little corner. I'm going to go ahead and like dab it up here too, just to kind of highlight my nose a little bit with the excess product, and a little bit here. I like that. Okay, now let's continue with the powder, and of course I have nothing ready. Powders. Ooh. So they did the loose powder. Like I said, I don't have all the products, so I'm gonna use my Raw Minerals. This is my Activeil sunscreen. It's SPF 18. This is the one I'm going to use for like a translucent powder, because that's essentially what it is.
And they just kind of... this powder's going everywhere. It looks kind of cool. So yeah, it takes off the shine just like they said it would. So basically I'm just setting my foundation is basically what I'm doing. This is basically what I'm doing.
Using the e.l.f. palette. This is the e.l.f. Clay Shadow palette. It's not quite the same palette. Yeah, so it's close enough. Has it right there. Okay, so we're gonna do that. The pink shade. I have something close. It's this guy right here. It's kind of pinkish, and they just went over the entire kind of like lid. So that's what I'm gonna do. Going over the entire lid here. This also has a little bit of a shimmer. You can't really see it. There it is. You see it a little bit, just a little bit of shimmer. I guess caramel would be what, like this one or that one. I don't want to go too dark. I'm going to do that one. Just like right in there. And then just blend them together, I guess. And I guess we're not going to highlight because the key... This look, the reason that I like this look is because you could wear bold lipstick, like bold, like red, and that's what we're going to do today. Which was a request. Red lipstick was requested. I'm doing this video. So even though it's for cat eye, I'm going to be wearing the red lipstick. This goes out to you, my friend, my friend Silas up in Northern California. I hope you enjoyed this during your quarantine. What do you guys think? Can you tell? I like that. I like it. Okay, so yeah, okay, great. We did it. That was all that it took. Next step is the eyeliner. So let's see. Liner. Let's do it. So it's going to be a thin line just across. I always end up making a thick line, you guys. I like to go all the way into the corner, but there you go, that's that. And then they said to make a line, a dot where I want the wing to go. Where do I want the wing to go? So I guess out there. It's like, that's a little dot, you can barely even tell. And then they said to go from the dot to the eye. From the dot to the eye. Yep, I guess that kind of works. Yeah. Ooh, look at that. That looks nice. Other eye. I keep my mouth slightly open because I feel like it's going to make a difference in my technique. I don't know if that's true or not, but that's what I do. I'm so scared to go on too thick. Okay, and then do the dot. So if I'm looking straight ahead, where's the dot going to go? The dot's going to go right there. Oh my gosh, I hope that's right. How does that look, you guys? I feel like I went too thick. See, I knew I was going to do that. I was going to go too thick, and now it's not going to be like a thin line. It's okay. I'll fix it. I'm not going to trip out on this. There. That's much better. That looks pretty cool. Like, I'm vibing here. I'm vibing 60s here. I feel like Austin Powers, James Bond, all that stuff. I mean, Austin Powers wasn't really a true 60s film, but yeah. Okay, so I did it. I don't think they lined anything else, right? Let's see what's next. Lash stretching mascara. I'm going to use the Jafra Maximizing Mascara because it's the one that I do have in stock. Okay, oh, I hate it. I'm going to do the top and the bottom, and I do not like to put mascara on my bottom lashes. I just don't like it. I feel like then you look like Betty Boop with like these crazy things in your eyes. But alright, I'll freaking do it. Okay, so the top, ultra lashes. Nice, and then they do the bottom a little bit. Oh man, I really hate doing it on the bottom. Can you even tell? Like, I don't have a eyelash curler. I should probably buy one, but I haven't. I'm sorry. Okay, so just to kind of separate them, I'm brushing them out. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna like brush out my eyebrows, even though I didn't do anything with them. Why not? On to the next thing. Oh, they use that little brush. Or should I do that? Let's do that really quick. They use that little brush. I happen to have one in my Jafra brush kit. Let's do it. Let's do this Cupid's bow thing. Let's just take this apart. Okay. Like, how high is high for the Cupid's bow? Being way too precise. Is that like too much? Should I overline my lips? Like, maybe I will overline my lips. I'm being really ridiculous with this. Silas, this is what I do for you. Do you see this? I'm struggling putting on my lipstick. It doesn't make it look as red as it actually is, but there it is. I kind of overlined. Okay, what else do I have to do? What's going on here? Okay, what else do I have to do? That's it. Mwah. So she does too. I lied. I'm not even done yet because I still have to do my blush. I forgot. I'm going to go with a lighter one this time. So I'm going to use my old. This is old. This is a Benefit and this is a Dandelion. And I think that when you have old makeup, you're technically supposed to throw it away because it is expired. Why do you still have it? This one came with a brush. I'm just going to go ahead and use this brush. I ain't even going to trip right now. It's late, so I'm going to go to bed after this. I'm going to go shower and do my hair treatment and all that stuff. So, can you even tell? You can't really even tell. But I think that's the point because for this one, even though it's the cat eye look, I feel like the red lips are the feature. Like, the eyes are like, whoa, like, your eyes are nice, but then, like, you look at the eyes, and then you look at the lips. Like, you look at the eyes, and then you look at their lips, you know? And, yeah. I don't know what to tell you. Okay, so I did the cheeks. Okay, now I'm gonna go take some selfies. Thank you for watching. Sorry about my voice. Sorry about the setup. I hope that you enjoyed this video. I hope that they're getting better. Please let me know what you think. Please leave a comment and please, please, please follow. It means a great deal to me if you do. And I want to make good content for you, so just tell me what you want. I'll do it. I'll do it for you. I'll catch you guys later. Thanks. Bye.